animated number counter to your Wix website. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can add animated number counter to your Wix website. For this, go to Google and search for wix.com. You will be redirected to their main page. Now logging into your account. After logging in, you will be able to see the dashboard. In the dashboard, you will be able to see an option in the upper right corner of edit site. Tap on it and it will take some time to load. After loading, you will be able to see the two icons, one of PC and the other one on mobile phone. Now you have to switch from PC to mobile phone. After switching from PC to mobile phone, you will be able to see this page. Now on this page, there is an option like this. Click on it. The mobile tools will open and it will give you few options. From options, select the one that says welcome screen with enhanced icon. Now you will be able to add play animation, logo, or add animated number counter. You can add any type of welcome screen from here, and you can add custom image vector OD. That's it. Pretty simple process to add counter number on your Wix website. Thanks for watching.